Today we're going to be making vegetable egg pizza. You heard it right, egg and pizza. We're going to be making this pizza even more fun by adding egg. So let's get started. For the ingredients, you'll need eggs, green onion, onions, red bell pepper, cheese, cilantro, and I'm adding some de-seeded jalapenos because I like my food hot and spicy. And for the seasoning, you'll need salt of your taste and some basil. I'm going to be cracking 2 eggs. So the eggs are going to be the binder for the pizza. There you go. Now I'm going to be adding all the ingredients. I'm going to be adding like a handful of onion, some red bell pepper, and I like green onion, so I'm adding a handful, but you can choose. I want my dish to be a little spicy, so I'm adding a little bit of jalapenos and some cilantro. And now I'm going to be adding the spices, the salt, and the basil. Now, since all the ingredients are in, I'm giving it a little mix. And wow, look at all these colors. They are so vibrant. I can't wait to see how it turns out. What are we making? Pizza. So what do we need? Bread. I'm using Indian bread, but you can use any bread of your choice. I put the heat on medium heat and let it fry halfway. Now let's make the pizza base. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil. And then I'm dumping the egg mix onto the pan. And then I'm adding 1 piece of bread on top. Press the bread on all the ingredients so the bread gets stuck to it. You see that the bread and the omelet aren't moving, so that means they aren't ready yet. Now you can see that the egg is moving. Let's flip it over. Wow, doesn't it look gorgeous? Let's add the cheese. Add the cheese very generously. And now I'm going to be putting on the next piece of bread. Press it hard so the second bread is attached to the pizza base. Once you think it's ready, add a little bit oil to the side to make the bread very crispy. Fry it well until it's crispy from both sides. You see this crust? Fry it till it is like this. Now I think it's ready. Let's put it on the plate. Doesn't it look delicious? I can't wait to eat it. Cut it with a pizza cutter and you'll have these delicious bites. Look at it. I want to eat it right away. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to see more of my videos, hit the notification bell.